Oh, I just can't wait.
To be king.
Dun, 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 dun. It is so busy and crazy. There's a million people everywhere and 1,000 kids everywhere. Like, if the world was going to turn into a zombie apocalypse, this would be the wrong place to be. Because this place is swarmed with people and kids. Wouldn't you be afraid of like zombie children? Like if all these little kids turn into zombies?
Yeah.
I couldn't sleep last night.
Thinking about Disney?
Thinking about Disney.
Oh my God.
I'm so excited to be here today, and if you haven't guessed it already, we are at the incredible Walt Disney World in Orlando, Florida. I just love being here at Disney as a way of putting me back into my kid zone. Literally, it's the happiest place on earth. And this week is even more special because this day is even more special because it kicks off the week of, you know, a milestone in our lives. Can you show them, babe? I'm marrying my best friend.
Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Clap along.
I think it's early enough or late enough to drink. Who said Disney was for kids?
Something I got here was good too.
So not a lot of people know, but there are some hidden bars. You have to look really hard for them. But this one is a full service bar in the Hakuna restaurant in Brooklyn. If you're looking for a refreshing alcoholic adult beverage, be sure to come here and check it out. Can we just take a second to admire how beautiful the ceiling is?
Thank you guys.
Thank you. Oh yeah.
20 minutes later.
Hi. Guys, let me introduce you to my incredible cousin, Anthony. He is a professional dancer here at Disney, and when I tell you he is so talented, I can't even begin to describe. So a part of the reason why we're here and we got info for free, let me tell you, is because of him, thankfully. Love you. And later on today, we're actually going to head over to Magic Kingdom and we're going to see him in the Christmas show, which I'm really excited about.
Most creative Christmas show in the world.
In the world. So this shit better be good. I'm sure it's beautiful. Anything Disney does, I mean, 5-star. So what we're going to do now is try and go ride Everest, because I freaking love that ride. It's so good. And then we're gonna go use his discount so I can get some bride mini ears because I want some, and I'm gonna get married in a few days and I only have like 72 hours to really relish in my little engagement and just be cutesy and fun, because why not? We're at Disney, right?
Yes.
Okay. Let's go. Apparently I was so thirsty because I'm feeling good, y'all. I'm feeling so good. Jason really hooked us up at that bar. I kind of want to go back. Can you please tell us some interesting facts about Disney that a typical Disney goer wouldn't know? Well, first of all, Lion King is the highest rated attraction. So if you come to Animal Kingdom at Disney, you need to go visit Lion King. It's the best show. They get about, I don't know, 10 to 20,000, you know, spectators a year. So you definitely have to check that out.
Here's a fun fact, that any given day, Disney has the same people per capita as Cheyenne, North Dakota.
What?
Yeah.
Okay, how did you know that? No, when I tell you people save their entire life to have these incredible trips, to come to Disney, they save every single dime that they have, and they all blow it here because everything is so expensive. Oh look, we're gonna go ride Everest now. quick Disney tip. Remember where your freaking car is.
Crack it.